Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Trello templates for projects, pro tips step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Trello account. Once you're in, navigate to the home page. Click on the Show menu option in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Templates. You'll see a variety of templates categorized by different types of projects. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. You can filter templates by type, such as marketing, sales, or personal. When you find a template you like, click on it to view more details. Take a moment to review the description and see if it meets your project requirements. If you decide to use it, click on the Use Template button. This action will create a new board based on the selected template. Once the new board is created, customize the title to reflect your project. Next, review the lists already provided in the template. Adjust these lists as necessary to fit the workflow of your team. You can also modify any cards to include specific tasks relevant to your project. Add due dates, checklists, and attachments to the cards for better organization. Invite team members to the board by clicking on Invite in the menu. Make sure to assign tasks to specific individuals to clarify responsibilities. Monitor the progress of each task by moving cards across the lists as they advance. Regularly update the board to keep everyone informed of changes or completed tasks. Finally, utilize the template features to track deadlines and milestones effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.